Hello and welcome to Hobby Days, where I have a series of videos teaching you all you need to know to make amigurumi toys. By the end of this series, you should have the confidence to try any of my patterns. I've put the links to these patterns in the descriptions below. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do an invisible decrease, as well as how to recognise how it's written in a pattern. Okay, so here's an example of how you might see a decrease written in a pattern in both UK and US terminology. In the brackets, we have 4 double crochets followed by a decrease in UK terms, or 4 single crochets followed by a decrease in US terms. You'll notice that it doesn't specify to do an invisible decrease, but when doing amigurumi, I do recommend using this method for a neater finish. And here we have times 6, which means we repeat what's in the brackets 6 times, and this number here is how many stitches we should have at the end of this round. And this is just an example that I've picked out of a pattern, and these numbers will change with each round that you work. Okay, so we're going to start by working 1 stitch into the next 4 stitches. So there's 1. And 2. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know how strongly I recommend inserting a stitch marker into the first stitch to help identify the beginning of the next round. There's number 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so to complete our decrease, we're going to work 1 stitch over the next 2 stitches, but we're not going to work through the back loop of these stitches. We're just going to go through these 2 front loops here. So insert your hook into the front loop of that one, and then straight into the second one before you pick up the yarn to pull through 2. Pick up the yarn again and pull through 2. We will now repeat these instructions 5 more times. So we're going to work 1 stitch into the next 4 stitches. There's the first one. There's the second. Number 3. And number 4. And then work 1 stitch over the next 2 stitches through the front loop only. Oops, let's try that again. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, and you'll see that your work starts to take shape now. And there you have it. Simple as that. Oh, and one more thing. After working a decrease, it can be a bit tricky to identify the next stitch that you need to work into. So be careful not to miss it. Now that you've got the basics, how about trying my lovely little Happy Tears project? It's beginner friendly and comes with a free PDF pattern to download. I'll put the link in the descriptions below. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment in the comment section below. And I will see you next time.